Hey guys, today I'm starting to remove the insulation of the inner wheelhouse because I make free for the welding points, welding spots in here, and so I can remove them from the upside. So it's going to be a little noisy, but it's okay. So, it's doing a nice job, so there's not so much more left over here. Oh, here you'll see all the welding spots, the welding points. So, I'm cleaning also up the instep in the door here. So you see how bad it is here. I have to renew it, but I have the new parts I have. So here is the dogleg toe who is going in there. This is only kit. And here on the underside there's two welding points there and one there. So it is easy to lose it. I get it away. And it's more difficult in here because this is TIG welded, so it's a little harder, so I have to be very careful so I don't destroy this part of the A-pillar. But I think it's going very okay, so I will clean just up the rest here. So I have to see what I have to do tomorrow. So I'm trying to get out all the welding spots from the dogleg in here. So you see it's been very okay. And this is the side beneath. So it's not so very okay, but I've seen a little what I have to do there. But it's doable. So guys, today I thank you. See you later. Bye. So, that's it. Okay guys, had a lot of trouble. I managed to get out the dogleg. So as you see, I have to do some small things afterwards. See here, I have to weld in a new piece, and in here, because here's the fastening from the seat belt. So I have to tighten this again, and also in here, small parts, and I have the rest of the dogleg in there, the toe There's a little piece of the toe I have to get out, and this on the side here, and a lid below. Okay, see you later. The video is going further on, a little later on. Okay, bye. Yeah. So guys, it's done. The dogleg is gone. Now I have to do some grinding here, and then it's finished for today. Okay, follow.